We do turn now to the pandemic and the CDC warning the unvaccinated not to travel this holiday weekend over concerns it could fuel more COVID-19 outbreaks. U.S. daily cases are already up nearly 1,000% over the last 2 months. 7 states are at or above ICU capacity of 90% statewide, and pediatric hospital admissions are at their highest point in the pandemic. ABC's Trevor Ault is in New York City with the latest. Trevor, good morning.
Good morning, Whit. We've seen this now how many times heading into holiday weekends. Millions of people get on the road, get together, and then we see weeks of troubling numbers that follow. And this latest Delta variant surge shows clearly we are not yet out of the woods. So once again, healthcare workers are screaming their warnings, particularly for the unvaccinated.
This morning, health officials fearing Labor Day weekend could further fan the flames of the pandemic. Doctors in Oregon warning if you get sick or injured, they may not have a hospital bed available for you.
The emergency department and the ICU is under incredible strain right now.
The CDC now warning people if you're not fully vaccinated this weekend, you should not travel. And that recommendation extends to children.
The rate of hospitalization for children was nearly 4 times higher in states with the lowest overall vaccination coverage when compared to states with high overall vaccination coverage.
At Wolfson's Children's Hospital in Jacksonville, Florida, pediatric COVID patients have nearly doubled since August 1st. This week, 2 children dying in a single 24-hour span, doctors voicing their frustration.
How many children dying is too many? Social distancing, disinfection, mask wearing, that's a small price to pay.
And with just weeks until the nation is supposed to begin the rollout of booster shots September 20th, the New York Times reports health officials are advising the White House to scale back that plan for now because they need more time to collect and review necessary data. Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson all say they've submitted their booster data for evaluation from the FDA, though the agency's independent advisory board isn't set to take up the booster issue until September 17th. And at least one board member, Dr. Paul Offit, doesn't think boosters are needed right now.
All the data shows that if you've gotten 2 doses, you are protected against serious illness. And I think people need to be reassured about that.
And before we've even made it out of this pandemic, the White House has now outlined a $65 billion plan to prepare for any potential future pandemics based on the lessons we've learned from COVID-19. Seeing how hard we have been hit both financially and in everyone's general well-being, the Biden administration calls this an economic and a moral imperative. Dan?
Already bracing for the next one. Trevor, thank you so much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.